just got some work done on our bathroom. We moved the wall. The wall used to come to that black tile. We moved it 6 inches. Got the tub out. Everything's gutted. It's pretty nice to make some progress on it. Because of this bathroom project that I am standing in, I doubt that we're going to get to any other projects, finishing any other projects. That dresser we might slowly work on, but we probably won't have any project videos for a while. But right now, we have to rip this flooring out. I'm going to put the GoPro on a tripod and see how much we can record, how much we can get torn out. Also, I got a new camera for Christmas, the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is what I'm using right now. I'm trying to get used to using it. It's kind of weird because it moves around on its own, gets stable, it's stabilized. I'm still trying to figure it out. So the movements and where I'm looking is still kind of weird. I don't really know where the lens is going to be pointed. It's face tracking me right now, and it lost me. So if it looks a little funny, that's what it is. But it's a much smoother camera. It stabilizes really well. It's nice. I like it a lot. Watch, I'll walk out to the living room. It'll be super stable. See, super smooth. I like it a lot. We're gonna get to the floor now. The GoPro looks so silly on a tripod. It's so little. Well, we are missing a little bit of footage from the demolition of that bathroom. I got some assistance from someone who preferred to not be on camera. So we missed, ripping out the tub and moving that wall and the sink and the toilet. Pretty much a lot of the gutting of it, but that's okay. I had help, which was nice. We got our dresser here. I wanted to show you what's going on with that. Okay, if you can tell, my camera does not like to focus on this. And I don't know why. That's where the tape was. That's the stain color we wanted. Jeanette says she likes the way this looks, but I don't. We have to restain this little triangle here to even it out. Same thing on the other side. After that, it's pretty much ready to go. And it's ready for the final spray coat of polyacrylic or something. These might need one more coat of gold paint, but they might not. I got to take a close look at them. We weren't able to do any work on it this weekend because we have side jobs on top of our full-time jobs, and now we've added on the bathroom, so this had to take we need a bathroom, so we gotta do that before we do the dresser. We'll slowly work on this dresser when I get a chance, or when we get a chance, but we've got to get our bathroom done. We have another bathroom, but it's real janky too. That one needs gutted as well. Alright, I'm gonna finish editing this vlog, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.